And peeps, DiyaPS here, and today and in this video we'll be covering the concept of absolute value. So if you take a number up in your mind, say if you want the number 20 and you say 20, so now the absolute value, the term we are using here, is the absolute value of 20 will be represented as mod 20 and then a mod again. And the answer and like the value of this representation will be 20 itself. But if you take a negative number in your mind and if you say minus 100, the representation will be the same. You take the number, you write down the number, and then you put a mod on both the sides. But here the answer will be 100 and not minus 100. Now why is this? Let's take a look at the definition of absolute value. So the definition of absolute value is that, so you have a number line here, and then this is your number A, and this is the number 0. So the absolute value, and again, okay, so let's take minus A here. So the absolute value of A will be actually the distance of A from the number 0. Now we can see this by taking this minus 100's example. Now let's say this number A is 100. Let's say this is 100 and this is minus 100. So we know that the absolute value of 100 will be 100 and the absolute value of minus 100 will be again 100. Now what do we know from this number 100? And now, okay, if we consider the number 100 and if we consider the number 0, what do we get to know? We get to know that the distance between the number 0 and the distance between the number 0 and the number 100 is 100 units. And also we know that the distance between number 0 and minus 100 will be the same, that is 100. That's why we say that the absolute value is actually the distance of a number from the number 0. Now, okay, now let's look at an equation. Okay, let's say we have mod 5 minus 9 and then mod again. So the answer here will be a mod minus 4 and then mod, which will be equal to 4. Any number which comes inside a mod will lose its sign. Any negative number which comes inside a mod will lose its negative sign. That is why we get the answer as 4. Now if we have 9 minus 5, we will get 4, whose answer will be again 4. I hope you understood what absolute value is, what's its definition, and how we use it in questions. Thank you.